Welcome to Module 6, which is the first step in our case study of spreading trading comps for Nike. So first and foremost, and quite obviously, we're going to start with Nike, which is the target here. We're going to start by spreading the actual comps for Nike, digging through their filings, and walking through this step by step so you can see how what you've learned in the previous slides actually gets applied in the real world. So before we dive into our template, I just want to give you guys a quick module overview here. So as you know, this module provides a step-by-step guide to building out a trading comps analysis, starting with individual company inputs and assumptions. So we're going to input assumptions for each company, and then you guys will see in the end, once we spread this for Nike, Adidas, Puma, all the relevant comps, this is going to roll up into a summary tab where we can analyze side by side the trends, multiples, and various disparities in valuation. So in this specifically, as we're walking through Nike, there's a few themes we're going to explore. The first one is going to be recent financial trends. So here we're going to ask questions like, how has Nike grown over the last few years relative to its peers? Or how are profit margins trending? Or for example, what are the company's current initiatives? So these are kind of recent financial trends related to Nike or Nike relative to its competition. We're also going to explore industry tailwinds or headwinds. So key question here is something like, what are the key challenges and opportunities facing the company and then the broader industry? Furthermore, we're going to analyze non-recurring items and adjustments. So the question here is, do Nike's filings or disclosures indicate any non-recurring or non-cash items that merit further investigation? So this will be in the non-GAAP adjustment section, which you guys will see in short order. And then lastly, what this all rolls up to is current valuation multiples and assessing how does Nike currently trade relative to its peers in terms of EV to EBITDA, EV to revenue, any relevant metric and trading multiple that we want to evaluate. So that's giving you guys a high-level overview of what we plan to cover. In the ensuing slides, we're going to actually dive into Excel and start spreading the Nike comp. So open your Excel up. We're going to start doing this side by side as you guys are watching me go along. So stay tuned.